So to get a good first position, we start with our feet at parallel and we rotate at a 45 degree angle through our heels. So both of our feet are at a 45 degree angle, and the position that our heels make becomes our dot. If we're perfectly on our dot, we'll probably have to move just a little bit forward to get right on the middle of the line. So when we take the first step, we want to make sure that we engage our muscles on squeeze, 5, 6, squeeze, and 1. And as soon as we take that first step, we explode. We go from 0 to 60 on that very first count. And we want to make sure that we have 50-50 weight distribution, which would put our left toe up and our right heel off the ground. So when we do 8s and 4s, we want to make sure that we initiate the same way we initiated when we took the first step. We take 8 even-sized steps, so we want to make sure that our step size is consistent. We have our checkpoints at 2 off, right in the middle, 2 off again, and on the yard line. We also want to make sure that when we place and close, we place toe down, and we bring the left foot back in to meet the right foot. So when we have forward to backwards direction changes, we want to make sure that we're compensating for the step size change. So when you place on 8, you want to make sure you physically move your back leg and you re-step, you bring it closer to your other leg to account for that smaller step size change. So when we have the +1, -1 game in the box drill, we want to make sure that we place, and that place foot with the right foot splits the direction of the way that you're going. Your +1 is an even 8 to 5 step in your new direction, as well as your -1 step. You want to make sure that you have low heel heights while you backwards march, and you are taking 12 consistent size steps backwards, while also splitting the direction every time you have a direction change. And ending with 50-50 weight distribution amongst both feet. So your left toe would be up and your right heel would be off the ground. Any direction change when you're marching forward to the left or forward to the right, your toe is in the direction that you're splitting the direction. However, when you're going backwards to the left or backwards to the right, your heel points in the direction that you're splitting the direction change. Five, 6, 5, 6, squeeze, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2. When we do a continuous box drill, you want to make sure that as you go from one direction change to the other, you don't cheat the last step size. So you want to make sure you have even step sizes even through the direction changes, as well as to make sure you take the smallest distance you can around the rotation.